Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and today we're going to look through Candice Brown's first cookbook. She was the winner of the 2016 Great British Bake Off, spoiler alert. She just had a second cookbook come out, but I grabbed her first one from the library. It's Comfort, Delicious Bakes, and Family Treats. Cozy recipes that are pure comfort on a plate, says a reviewer that they're listing on the top. Candice shares her favorite home comfort recipes, both sweet and savory baking. I love savory bakes. For weeknights and weekends, for afternoon treats or special occasions, to make with kids and to share with family and friends. These are the recipes close to her heart that should be served up as a big generous slice and on a vintage plate if you have one. Oh, fun. I love the cover. Came out in 2018. And the publisher is Ebury Books via Penguin. These publishers are starting to consolidate and become giant, and I'm having trouble keeping track of who's who and what's happening. And here's the table of contents. Starts off with introduction, of course, cook's notes, a bake for every occasion, and then moves straight into cakes, then brownies, biscuits, and tray bakes. That's how you can tell it's a UK baker, tray bakes. We don't really say that in America. Tarts and pastries, puddings and preserves, savory bakes, bites, and soups, bonus, and breads and buns. And conversion charts. Thank you for that. My first book could only ever be about one thing, comfort. Comfort foods, comfort baking, all those things you love to eat that make you feel warm and cozy inside. Much like the food I was brought up on and that my ma'am and nan cooked for my family. For me, food should be a celebration of all of the things that I and others love. Oh, she writes that for her first 21 years, she lived in pubs that her parents ran, and she'd watch her dad preparing meat, including skinning rabbits and plucking pheasants, and her ma'am would use it to make rich, hearty pies. Wow. Ooh, gorgeous photography so far. And the introduction keeps going. Her favorite things are a pudding and brownies. Ooh, gorgeous photography. Okay, I can't show you the whole book, so I'm going to try to find just a little bit from every chapter so that I'm not spoiling it for you and unfair to the author and publisher. Store cupboard essentials. A bake for every occasion. It's kind of like a little menu or introduction to where you could find the recipes. All right, cakes. She writes, I'm not sure if there is anything better than a huge slice of cake. Starting off, 2 recipes, mocha chocolate cake and triple layer berry Victoria sponge. Are there pictures for these? Well, there's the sponge. There's the Victoria. Okay. But not the brownies. Mint chocolate cake. Looks amazing. I love mint chocolate. Date and ginger cake. Carrot cake. I don't see a photo and it looks very complicated. Nope, no photo. Lemon, gin, and poppy seed cake. Wow. Nan's boiled fruit cake. Okay, so here's the fruit cake. Well, I would like if there was a picture for every recipe, but I know I don't always get my way. But look at the stunning, oh my gosh, Black Forest ganache cake. All is forgiven. Wow. Okay. Raspberry and custard almond cake. I like the combinations. It's very unusual. A port-soaked Christmas cake. Here's a beautiful rhubarb and custard ring. But now I have to skip ahead to another chapter. Get moving. Love lemon cupcakes. Ooh, orange hibiscus something or other. Peanut butter. Wow. Okay. How about chocolate hazelnut brownies? I think I'm in the brownies chapter now. Well, biscotti. Chewy chocolate orange cookies. Oh, some cut out. I don't know if those are Linzers or what, because it doesn't say on that page. Millionaire shortbread hearts. That could be cute for Valentine's Day. I'm skipping ahead. Ooh, cherry amaretto bakewell tart. I love cherries and I love amaretto, and together, woo! Croissants. I don't see a picture and I see lots of directions. Nope, no picture. But here's a cornflake tart. That's unusual. That's really clever. Berry creme tarts. Beautiful. Look at all those different berries. Okay, and Here's a gorgeous picture, but I don't know what it's of because it doesn't say. Maybe that's, no. Almond pear pinwheel pastries. Marzipan mince pies. Pear and fig tarte tatin. Peach Melba meringue pie, for those of you that like meringue. And puddings and preserves. New chapter. Vanilla custard, toffee apple crumble, plum nectarine, and ginger crumble. Marmalade, cardamom, and chocolate bread and butter pudding. Oh, this is comfort. Wow. Mango and raspberry pavlova. Stunning. A beautiful picture of the author and some of her creations. And do I see a little glittery or gold leaf or silver leaf or something? I don't know what that is. It's gorgeous. Okay. Bramble apple pie. Hidden clove apple and strawberry strudel. A nice little surprise. Oh, a gorgeous photo, but I can't show you it because I'm showing you too much. Savory bakes, bites, and soups. Okay. Stilton twisted straws. That's great for a cocktail party. Black pudding sausage rolls. I'm vegetarian and I think I know what black pudding is and I don't want it. Here's the author and an adorable dog. Ham hock and chorizo scotch eggs. Oh, a roast chicken, gorgeous photo. Decadent cauliflower cheese. That I would love to make for dinner tonight. Ooh, if I wasn't already making pasta. 1 cup sage and onion Yorkshire puddings. Oh, nice. This is a really cool cookbook. I hope you're enjoying it. So far, what is the first thing you'd like to make out of it? Let me know in the comments below if you wouldn't mind. Roasted red pepper, squash, and sweet potato soup. Now, I am not a red pepper fan. I'm not a squash fan, and I'm not a sweet potato fan, but I would totally eat that. It looks so good. I probably wouldn't go out of my way to make it since I don't care for those. I'm trying to like them. Vegetable quiche, chunky shepherd's pie. Ooh, my boyfriend would love that. Chorizo pepper and sweet potato tart. Macaroni pies. Oh, please tell me there's a picture. Is that the fish pie or the macaroni pie? I don't know it. I guess it's the macaroni. Yes, it is. Okay. Cheese and onion pie. Ooh, look at this. Salmon, prawn, and asparagus tart. Cheese and ham waffles. Toddy scones or tatty scones. And now we're in the last chapter, breads and buns. I'll just pick a couple. Mediterranean soda bread. Ooh, how good does that look? Nigella seed and onion bread, and I actually just bought some Nigella seeds. I can't reach them or I would show them to you. Cumin, garlic, and parsley flatbreads. Oh, yum. Cheesy spinach and artichoke dip. And the cute dog alert. I'm not sure what that has to do with the dip, and I'd rather see a picture of the dip, but that was a cute dog. Cointreau and orange hot cross buns. I don't have any Cointreau in the house because we drank it all. Ginger and chocolate plate. Oh, love it. That is Candice Brown Comfort. I'm off to check out her second cookbook because I enjoyed this one so much. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to hear what you thought of the cookbook in the comments below. Be sure to click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of our videos, even though I just got tongue twisted. We post our cookbook review videos to YouTube. We have a blog, cookbookdivas.com, where we post cookbook news and sneak previews, etc. We post cookbook content to Facebook or Instagram so that we're finding you where you're at if you want to see stuff from us. And we also have a Cookbook Divas podcast for those of you that like listening to cookbook news. I'll see you in the next video.